Hello, everyone. Today we have with us Swetha. Swetha is a doctor. She has done a PhD and then she got trained through 360 DigiTMG and she worked on amazing projects. She was extremely pivotal when it comes to life sciences healthcare projects. She worked on embryo related project. She worked on liver cancer classification project and a lot of amazing projects in the space of life sciences healthcare. And the primary reason why I appreciate her hard work is because whenever we had any opportunity, any new opportunity that had to be, taken up, she was always there. She was always willing to take those additional risks. So that is one standout, attitude that Shweta possesses. Yeah. Thank you so much, Shweta, for being part of this journey, wonderful journey. And can you let me know on how did this start? How did this journey start? And how did you, from non IT background, got into the field of data science, etc.? Yeah, over to you.
So, yeah, thank you so much, Bani, for the intro. And hello everyone. I am Shwetha, and I'm thrilled to be here today to share my journey with all of you. I hope it helps a lot of people who are trying to make it big in data science field. So, as Bunny introduced me, I'm from a different background. So, it's Doctor of Pharmacy, and in this course, I mainly learned about healthcare. So this course enabled me in understanding more about healthcare, but my interest grew in data science, and I understood how data science had potential in the healthcare industry. And then when I was searching for courses to take this leap into data science, I found 360 Digit MG. So I joined the course, and to be frank, 360 was instrumental for me in helping me make this transition. The curriculum that is designed over here, mainly not just the theoretical concepts, here it is mostly focused on the hands on projects, the real world projects we get. There, I got a lot of technical skills, understood how to, face the real world challenges, the nuances which are there, and working on a real life project. All those things I understood when I was in taking the course at 360 Digit MG. After this, with their guidance and with the support I got, I worked a bit hard, and then I was placed at AI Spry as an associate data scientist. And this was a huge stepping stone for me in my career, where I have not just learned about how to deal with the data science algorithms, but also how to understand or handle clients. What exactly are the business requirements? How to deal with them? The experience which I've got while dealing with the clients is inexplainable, and that helped me a lot. And that is how I was able to crack the further interviews which I got, and now I am placed at Idea Labs as a data scientist. So a lot of things I have learned from 360 and AI Spry. A lot of real world experiences I got, and I'm really thankful for these experiences. And this helped me crack this interview. Yeah, over to you.
Thank you so much, Shweta, for the nice words.
Yeah.
Shweta, thank you so much for being instrumental in terms of applying for the government grants for the Embryo project.
Yes.
We are still hopeful that we will sail through. We are waiting for the further rounds, to happen. Okay.
Yes.
So, having said that, how was your experience? Because you also worked as an intern, right, before joining as a full-time data scientist with us.
Yeah.
So, how was your experience there as part of AI Spray projects?
Okay. So until we are doing our courses, it's just about theory, learning about the concepts, right? In internship, I understood how to actually apply them. how to actually build something, some application which works. So internship helped me in understanding how to build these solutions, and which will be representable, which will be able to be provided to the clients. So that was my experience with internship, and whatever I learned in internship helped me crack the interview also. So that is a big thing which I thought, which doesn't happen in the curriculum. That is when what you learn in while interning, right? So yeah.
So one final question, Shweta.
Yes, but
A lot of people are getting trained through 360 Digit MG, right?
yeah.
So what will be your one single suggestion to them
Okay.
on how to get into this field of data science?
How to get it into the field of data science? I would say persistence is the key. So, sometimes the path might look difficult, sometimes it's not, sometimes you're just lost, but, being persistent, you should be determined on cracking it and you will be there. Anybody, irrespective of what their background is, where they come from, or how intelligent they are, only the persistence can keep you, on the edge. That would be my suggestion.
So perseverance is the number one skill which every person should possess, right? Yeah. Thank you so much, Swetha, for your time. And I am 100% certain that you'll scale in your career and you'll go to newer heights. And thank you so much for being part of the wonderful journey. And all the best for you, Swetha.
Thank you, Bunny. Thank you so much.